Today, we are witnessing the prosperity of technology and commerce. Everything is familiar and natural, while full of change and challenges. The future has already opened its arms to us, calling for us to have a new experience. Connections allow prices to be adjusted at any time based on the promotional policies. Data is invigorated and it begins to flow. No longer struggle to find goods, one-click assistance, response in seconds, and locate goods to the nearest shelf, letting customer experience approach perfection. Shopping becomes an enjoyable experience. Whatever you can imagine, and even what you cannot imagine, is all happening here. Devices are plug and play, eliminating the need for manual configuration and commissioning. Having the network becomes so easy and simple. Regardless of whether there are too many departments or how big an organization is, connections can be on demand and bring things closer together. Data exchange inspires powerful innovations. In 14 days, go from design drawings to products being on display, meeting people's ever-changing requirements. Huawei Cloud Campus uses cloud technology. Lets connections become easy and simple. Lets services be provisioned in minutes or seconds. Lets open platforms aggregate large volumes of data. Lets imagination be enacted. And lets innovations be monetized. Cloud Campus lets smart retail be all around us.